1933 Custom Chevy two-door sedan, priced at $24,000, located in Albany and Wells, New York. This car is in excellent condition with a clean title, automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, a gas engine, and 6 cylinders. It shows only 2,565 miles on the odometer and comes in sedan body style. This Chevy has gone through a full frame-off restoration and is powered by a V6 Chevy 4.3-liter engine with 285 horsepower. It comes with a 700R automatic transmission with overdrive, a Chevy Posse rear end, and a Mustang rack and pinion setup. Up front, it has disc brakes, while the rear uses shoes. It also features a 4-barrel carburetor and dual exhaust. Other highlights include all-metal body and fenders, new headlights, bumpers, electric wipers, a digital dash, and a tilt steering wheel. It also has a vinyl top and upholstery, and it is ready for a test drive. The car rides on 4 new American Classic tires and is described as a highway driver with excellent gas mileage. 1936 Plymouth 5-window coupe, hot rod, priced at $32,000. The location was not listed in the original ad. This car is in excellent condition with 8 cylinders, rear-wheel drive, a gas engine, an automatic transmission, a clean coupe body style, and an odometer reading of 21,000 miles. It comes in white and has a lean title status. This 1936 5-window coupe is mostly all steel, except for the running boards. It is powered by a 355 SBC engine and comes with many extra parts. The engine has forged internals and runs strong. It drives very well and is built to perform. 1956 Chevrolet Bel Air, priced at $13,200, located in New York. This car is in excellent condition, with 8 cylinders, rear-wheel drive, a gas engine, a manual transmission, and a clean title. The odometer shows 2,000 miles, and the car comes in white. More than $40,000 has been invested in restoring this Chevrolet Bel Air. It is powered by a 350 V8 engine with a 4-speed transmission. The body and paint job are excellent, and it also features a Posse rear end. The car has fewer than 2,000 miles since the restoration was completed. This Bel Air runs great, drives like new, and is described as a fast and dependable car that can be driven anywhere. 1965 Chevrolet El Camino, a clean, rust-free West Coast car priced at $18,000, located in Keene, New Hampshire. This car is in excellent condition, with 8 cylinders, rear-wheel drive, a gas engine, an automatic transmission, and a clean title. The odometer shows 66,402 miles, and the car comes in green. This 1965 Chevrolet El Camino is equipped with a 283 engine, automatic transmission, power steering, and power brakes. It also has dual exhaust and an Edelbrock intake manifold with a new carburetor. The car is finished in factory Tahitian turquoise and is very solid, with no rust. It has always been a Western car and still comes with the original Protect O plate along with other original dealer paperwork. It also includes a color-matching hardcover rear locking shell and a car cover. The vehicle runs great, but it does need either a wiper motor or a switch. 1977 Ford LTD Classic car, priced at $15,000, located in Branchville. This car is in fair condition with 8 cylinders, rear-wheel drive, a gas engine, and a manual transmission. It has a clean title, a sedan body style, and the odometer shows 24,824 miles. The car comes in blue. This 1977 Ford LTD is powered by a V8 4.9-liter gas engine. It has a clean interior and is described as a perfect restoration car. The vehicle shows 24,824 miles and is ready for someone who wants a classic sedan with strong vintage character. 1966 Buick Wildcat Classic car, priced at $7,500, located in Branchville. This car is in fair condition with 8 cylinders, rear-wheel drive, a gas engine, a manual transmission, and a clean title. The odometer shows 32,000 miles, and the car comes with a custom paint color. It has a sedan body style. This 1966 Buick Wildcat is powered by a 5.7-liter V8 gas engine. It has a clean interior and is listed as a classic restoration car. With 32,000 miles on the clock, this Buick Wildcat is a solid choice for someone looking for a vintage sedan with strong character. 1962 Chevrolet Corvette C1, priced at $59,995, located in Schenectady. This car is in good condition with gas fuel, a manual transmission, a coupe body style, a rebuilt title, and a red paint color. The odometer shows 18,741 miles. This 1962 Corvette C1 runs and drives great, and it is said to have about 18,700 original miles. It has been brought back to running and daily driving condition. Almost every mechanical part has been replaced or restored, all the way down to the wiring harness, the brakes, brake lines, gas tank, intake, carburetor, radiator, generator, hoses, belts, distributor, cylinder heads, wheels, and tires have all been replaced or restored. Everything inside works, including the lights and heat. The doors open and close perfectly, and the frame is solid and straight. The body has not been modified except for washing, buffing, polishing the chrome, and waxing. This is a strong choice for anyone looking for a mechanically sound classic Corvette that can be driven every day. 1965 Ford Galaxy 500 Convertible, priced at $10,000, located in Schenectady. This car is in good condition with 8 cylinders, rear-wheel drive, a gas engine, an automatic transmission, a clean title, and a convertible body style. The odometer shows 100,000 miles, and the car comes in red. This 1965 Ford Galaxy 500 Convertible is powered by a 289 V8 engine. A new timing chain has already been installed, and it comes with brand new parts from the timing chain forward, including the timing chain cover, water pump, harmonic balancer, and a record radiator. It is ready for the next steps. 1931 Ford Model A Tudor Sedan, priced at $18,000. The location was not listed in the original ad. This car is in good condition with 4 cylinders, rear-wheel drive, a gas engine, a manual transmission, a clean title, and a sedan body style. The odometer shows 1 mile. This is a 1931 Ford Model A Tudor sedan that is running and driving.